Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be winching this frame up onto the trailer here, going to take it out to sandblast. So this is a 2006 frame. All of what I'm going to show you today applies to the OBS trucks too. So we're going to go ahead and get this winched up here, show you what you can do to prevent more work for yourself after getting your stuff sandblasted. So let's go ahead and get this up on a trailer. This is another thing that's nice about wireless winches. Okay, got the winch off of here so we can get in here nice and easy. So you always want to take some rags, anything you can get, stuff them in around the axle shafts, because doing that will help prevent some of that sand getting into the axle tubes, which will in turn get into the differential. I've had this happen to me a couple times, having junk axles sandblasted, and it's come back to bite me a few times. So something else you want to do, your vent tubes, like I have the brake line taken off the axle here and the vent tube put back in the bolt. I go ahead and leave the tube on there and tape the tube to the vent, tape the tube to the hose, and then also tape the end of the hose. So that keeps sand from going in there. Something else you want to do is you want to tape your pinion. Now we're going to be rebuilding this axle anyway, but minimal sand invasion is always ideal. So while the duct tape doesn't do a whole lot, it prevents direct spray and sand and air from hitting there. So that's the whole purpose of the duct tape around the pinion. You want to keep that sand from directly blasting into that seal, possibly hurting the seal and getting sand intrusion into your differential. So that's something that you want to keep in mind. If you're not redoing your axles, you want to make sure that you do preparations like these to keep any sand from entering into your differentials. So the front one's a little bit more difficult, but how it's put on here. So basically I wrap duct tape around there. It's pretty thick. I went around it like 6 or 7 times, if not more. So that's something you want to do. And also same thing up here, you want to do the vent tubes. So tape around the tube itself and tape the end of the tube also. So these are all little tips you can do. Granted, this is an 05 axle we're doing this on, but this applies to your Dana 60s, your OBS axles, all of that. So you want to make sure you get everywhere you can get sand stoppage to stop. You want to make sure that that's done. So if you can get rags, tape, anything to block the sand from entering your differentials, that's something that you're going to want to do. So like I said, we're taking this frame to sandblast today, and hopefully it'll be back here in a couple days, and I can show you guys what it looks like. Because like I said, we're doing an OBS channel here, but this is going to be OBS related, because this is the same thing I do to my OBS frames. So don't have an OBS frame to show you with right now, so we'll use this one as a demonstration and show you how it comes back and how nice it looks. So thanks for watching today, and we'll get some more videos posted up for you guys so that you can learn more about your trucks, and we'll keep some projects going. Thanks for watching.